So hello, my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. So this look that you're seeing right here, I hope you could guess it by looking at the look that I have tried to create like a Korean look. Okay, now don't tell me that you don't look like Korean at all, because obviously I'm an Indian. I don't look nothing like Korean, but I have tried to recreate this look. I have used these two pictures right here to get inspiration for the look that I have created. Okay, and also I have inculcated my own techniques and all, and this is the look that I have came up with. And if you want to know how I have created this look and I have achieved this look, then you have to watch this video full the end. Okay, so as we are doing Korean makeup, we have to take care of every single thing and we have to follow the norms. So the first thing that you have is that your skin must be squeaky clean and clear and glossy, because that is their skin by birth. We don't have that, so we have to achieve that. So I will first do my Korean skincare and apply Snell Mucin, which will automatically give me a smooth base and also will give me a glow. So the first step I'll be doing is that I'll applying the Lakme CC cream for the base. Okay, I won't apply too much because they don't just overlayer, and then you can see the glow for yourself, because I have not applied any highlighter or anything as such, but done my proper skincare. So when you do a nice skincare before your makeup really turns nice and it does not turn cakey or anything. You can see the glow on my face. Then I'll apply a little bit of concealer on the areas where I have dark spots and I need correction. So I'll apply very little concealer to these places and conceal the areas, and then again very nicely blend it into my skin so that it just fills my second skin and not too much overpowering or like Indian makeup where you can actually feel that okay, somebody has applied the makeup. But in Korean skin you don't get to know really whether it is their real skin or they have applied makeup, because their makeup products are made in such a way and their skin also. But here since we are achieving it, so we have to make. Now मेरे पकोड़े वाले nose को I have to do like contouring, because I have really pakoda wala nose, and so I have to do the contouring and the bronzing very properly. For that I'm using their technique only, and you can see the difference just after I have blended it properly, and you can see how slim and nice my nose is looking, because this is all I can do. I cannot do plastic surgery. तो मैंने बस try किया and it really turned out to be good. Okay, next step is again blush. Okay, they apply a little too much blush, but not like Indian way of applying blush. So I will apply the cheek tint. Then after applying the cheek tint I will apply it, but a little later it will settle down. Okay, so I will apply more blush. So they also have blush on their nose and the chin area, so I will do the same, बिकॉज मैं बार बार फ़ोटो देख रही थी कि कैसा है. एंड नेक्स्ट द बिग स्टेप इज़ दैट द आइज़, जिसको कोरियन जैसा बनाना है. कोरियन जैसा है नहीं, उल्लू जैसा है इंडियन आँखें, बट ट्राई करूँगी यूजिंग देयर मेकअप टेक्निक्स. एंड अभी तो बिल्कुल ही उल्लू जैसा लगेगा, बट डोंट वरी, इट विल इवेंचुअली turn out good. So I will blend it. They don't apply like too much eyeshadow also. We in Indian makeup we apply so many transition shades and all kind of shades, but they don't apply so much. They just give a little color, to the eyes. And also I have seen one more thing, that they also apply that same eyeshadow under their eyes and then a little bit of shimmer in between. So I have applied a little bit of shimmer. Okay, in the camera it might look like very subtle, but it was not so subtle. They have blingy like eyes, and this is all I could do to. Now this is not complete, the main part is still left, the eyeliner part. Under their eyes also underlying, they also create a contouring like thing, so I will also do the same. And इसको करने के बाद बिल्कुल ही उल्लू जैसा लग रहा था. दिस वॉज नॉट लुकिंग गुड एंड आई वॉज स्केप्टिकल कि ये अच्छा टर्न आउट होगा कि नहीं, बट डोंट वरी, टर्न आउट रियली गुड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द मेकअप. तो वो लोग एक अंडरलाइन ऐसे करते, काजल जैसे हम लोग लगाते हैं. दे जस्ट डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कंटूरिंग एंड शेपिंग after applying the eyeshadow. Now the main part is applying the eyeliner in such a way that your eyes look little bit smaller and like Korean. पूरा तो कोरियन नहीं बना सकते, बट this is all I could do after looking at the picture, and I think I did a nice job. But sharp edges नहीं रहता है, so I will try to blend out the edges of the eyeliner, and it is not yet complete. You can see after putting the inner highlighter or highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, you can instantly see the difference here. And also they put a little bit of shimmery shade in the lower portion of your what to say, the waterline. We don't usually put glitter shade under your waterline, but the Koreans do. So I will just follow that picture from where I have took the inspiration, and I will do the same where they have applied the shimmery shade. The next step is that mascara, they don't apply usually like false lashes. Okay, their lashes are naturally good, and by God's grace I also feel that my lashes are long enough, and I will use this Mars mascara, which is now being my holy grail product. I'm loving this product, very affordable. You can get this under rupees 250, and I messed up again, but somehow my eyes are done, and I feel that I have done a pretty good job with the eyes. ओके, इतना भी एक्सपेक्टेशन मुझे नहीं था. आई वॉज रियली स्केप्टिकल एज आई सेड. फिर मुझे लगा कि ब्लश बहुत ज़्यादा सेटल डाउन हो गया. उन लोगों का चिक्स थोड़ा सा ऐसे एप्पल्स में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पिंक होता है, सो दैट आई विल डू. एंड देन आई can see that my face was looking oily, so I will set my rest of the face with a compact. Okay, and it's done. Then bridge of the nose and all the areas where I need to put highlighter, I will do the highlighting thing. Okay, very carefully, because their techniques are really different from ours. It's not the same. There is a lot to do, but very easy if you can focus and concentrate on what they do. Again, the lipstick applying technique I have used theirs. I have just applied lipstick on the inner portions, and then I will simply apply a lip balm or a lip gloss, whatever, because their lips are not matte, their lips are always like glossy. And that's the look I have came up with. And the next step, to give like cherry on the top, I will apply like eyeliner and make this fake, moles and what you call it. And this is how it has turned out.